somebody asked, "Is anybody upping their prices?" Ever since the pandemic hit, because this what is it? Disinfecting services actually allowed us to increase prices as well. I've seen an uptick in charging to customers, and also, and the reason for that, number one, is because the cost of hiring people has increased. A lot of people, you see, everybody quitting. What is it? The great resignation or some mess that they some wave that was going on where everybody supposed to been quitting their jobs. I'm gonna tell you now, if things go the way I feel like they about to go, they're gonna wish they had them damn jobs. They're gonna wish they had two, three, four of them jobs. A lot of these people, right? And that's what I'm just telling you, dog. Get whatever you can do to make your situation better financially right now. Do it. And even if you ain't even, I'm not in a struggle position right now at all. No, I mean, I definitely seen struggle before. This ain't it where I'm at, but I'm about to grind like I'm in it because I just trying to prepare for what may come right now because I just got a bad feeling. And last time I saw what happened.